Welcome to this complete Riga Latvia travel guide, a city steeped in rich history where medieval architecture meets modern charm. Riga, the capital of Latvia, is a cocktail of cultures and styles, a city that has witnessed centuries of history yet stands tall, vibrant and captivating. From the cobblestone lanes of the old town to the bustling central market, the city is a canvas painted with the colors of its past and the vibrancy of its present. So buckle up and get ready to explore the gems of Riga. Our journey begins in the heart of the city, the old town. A stroll through the cobblestone streets of Riga is like stepping back in time. Medieval buildings, their facades telling tales of centuries past, line the narrow avenues, each one more charming than the last. The old town is the soul of Riga, a testament to its rich history and cultural heritage. Every corner you turn, every alley you explore, you'll find a piece of history waiting to be discovered. From the majestic churches that tower above the cityscape to the quaint, colorful houses that add a dash of vibrancy to the grey stones, Riga is a living, breathing museum. The cultural richness of the old town is palpable, almost tangible. You can feel it in the air, see it in the architecture, hear it in the soft whispers of the ancient stones. That's Old Town for you, a timeless beauty etched in every stone. From the timeless to the bustling, we move to Ria Central Market. Imagine a symphony of sights, sounds and scents. This isn't just a market, it's a whirlwind of activity, a melting pot where every stall tells a story. Let's start with the food. From fresh fruits and vegetables locally sourced and brimming with color, to the catch of the day, still smelling of the sea. The air is thick with the aroma of baked goods, and the spice stalls are a riot of flavors waiting to be discovered. Then there's the atmosphere, as lively as a Latvian folk dance. The vendors' vibrant chatter, the clatter of pots and pans, the laughter and camaraderie. It's a place of connection, where locals and visitors alike can share in the love of good food and good company. Every corner turned leads to a new discovery, every aisle a journey into the heart of Riga's culinary scene. Ria Central Market, where every aisle is a new adventure. Next, we step into the divine and the grandeur with Riga Cathedral and the Art Nouveau District. As we wander through the cobbled streets of Riga, we find ourselves standing before the majestic Riga Cathedral. This iconic structure, known locally as Riga's Domes, is as old as the city itself. Dating back to the early 13th century, this cathedral is the largest medieval church in the Baltic states. Its architectural style is a unique blend of Gothic, Romanesque, Baroque and Art Nouveau influences. But more than its size and style, the Riga Cathedral is the beating heart of the city's spiritual life. Its grand organ, with nearly 7,000 pipes, has been filling the cathedral with heavenly music for over a century. Now let's take a stroll from the sacred to the sublime and step into the Art Nouveau district. This part of Riga is like a living museum of Art Nouveau architecture, a style characterized by intricate details, ornate facades, and a sense of romantic whimsy. At the turn of the 20th century, when Art Nouveau was at its peak, Riga was experiencing a period of rapid growth and prosperity. This resulted in an architectural revolution, and today Riga boasts one of the highest concentrations of Art Nouveau buildings in the world. As we walk these streets, it's easy to feel like we've stepped back in time. Each building tells a story, with facades adorned with mythical creatures, beautiful women, and ornate floral designs. What's particularly striking is the way these buildings seem to capture the spirit of a time when the world was on the brink of modernity, yet still firmly rooted in the traditions of the past. In the Art Nouveau district, every corner you turn, every street you wander down is a feast for the eyes. From the grandeur of Alberta Iela with its row of beautifully preserved buildings to the whimsical details of Elizabeth's Iela, the district is a testament to the city's rich architectural heritage. The Cathedral and Art Nouveau district, where history whispers in every corner. Moving on, we delve into the iconic landmarks that shape Riga's skyline. Let's begin with the House of the Blackheads, a true gem amongst the city's architectural treasures. Constructed in the 14th century for the Brotherhood of Blackheads, a guild for unmarried German merchants, this building is a testament to the rich history of Riga. The intricate facade, adorned with various heraldic symbols, is a sight to behold. After being destroyed during World War II, the House of the Blackheads was meticulously reconstructed, a phoenix rising from the ashes, now standing as a symbol of the city's resilience. Now let's turn our gaze towards the towering spire of St. Peter's Church. An architectural marvel, this church has watched over Riga since the 13th century. With its stunning blend of Romanesque, Gothic and Baroque design elements, it's like a history book etched in stone. The church has been rebuilt several times over the centuries, each rebuild adding another layer to its rich narrative. And the view from the top, it's as if you've been lifted above the pages of time, offering an unparalleled panorama of Riga. Finally, we arrive at the Freedom Monument, a potent symbol of Latvia's independence. This imposing monument, affectionately known as Milda, rises 42 meters high with a woman holding 3 golden stars at its peak. These stars represent Latvia's 3 historical regions, Vidzeme, Latgale and Kurland. Erected in 1935, the monument has survived foreign occupation and stands today as a beacon of national pride. It's a reminder of the indomitable spirit of the Latvian people, their struggles and their triumphs. These landmarks, they aren't just structures, they are stories standing tall. Each brick, each stone, each sculpture, they whisper tales of times gone by, of resilience and freedom, of the soul of a city. As we move on, remember we're not just sightseeing, we're time traveling, walking through pages of history, living the stories these landmarks tell. Time to feast our eyes on the artistic and natural beauty of Riga. Nestled in the heart of the city, we find the Latvian National Museum of Art, a beacon of cultural heritage and creativity. This grand building, a masterpiece of neoclassical architecture, houses an impressive collection of Latvian art, spanning from the mid-18th century all the way to the present day. As you step through its doors, you are greeted by a world of color, emotion, and history. The museum's collection is a visual narrative of Latvia's rich artistic journey, with works from distinguished artists such as Janis Rosenthal's and Vilhelms Pervaitis. These masterpieces, each with their own unique story, offer a kaleidoscope of styles and techniques, providing a fascinating insight into the evolution of Latvian art. And it's not just the art that captures the imagination. The museum itself is a work of art. The recent restoration has breathed new life into the building, with the original ornate ceilings and intricate stucco work restored to their former glory. But the artistic journey doesn't end here. A stone's throw away from the museum lies Bastekāns Park, a verdant oasis in the midst of the city. This tranquil park, with its winding paths, babbling brooks and charming bridges, is a masterpiece of a different kind. The park's serene beauty offers a stark contrast to the bustling city outside. Here, nature takes center stage. The air is filled with the sweet scent of blooming flowers, the rustling of leaves, and the soft chirping of birds. This is a place where you can take a moment to breathe, to soak into the calmness, and to appreciate the simple beauty of nature. The park's centerpiece is the Freedom Monument, a symbol of Latvia's independence and resilience. This towering structure, surrounded by greenery, stands as a reminder of the country's tumultuous history and its unwavering spirit. So whether you're an art enthusiast or a nature lover, Riga has something for you. From the captivating art collection in the Latvian National Museum of Art to the serene beauty of Bastekāns Park, Riga offers a unique blend of art and nature. Art and nature, the two sides of Riga's mesmerizing beauty. And now for the finale, we step into the world of classic automobiles at the Ria Motor Museum. Unleashing the throttle on Latvia's rich automotive history, the Riga Motor Museum is a must-visit spot for car enthusiasts and history buffs alike. As we wander through the museum, we are greeted by a stunning array of vintage cars, each vehicle a symbol of a distinct period of time. From the gleaming Rolls-Royces that once graced the grand avenues of Europe to the rugged Soviet-era vehicles that roared through the streets of Riga, these automobiles are more than just transportation. They're rolling time capsules, each one brimming with stories of the past. Here, the language of horsepower and torque is fluently spoken. The museum isn't just dedicated to displaying these beautiful machines, but also educating visitors about their history and significance. It's an immersive experience, one that takes you on a journey through the development of the automobile industry, from its inception to modern times. But it's not just about cars. The museum also houses a unique collection of motorcycles, bicycles, and even a few quirky contraptions that never quite made it to the mainstream. It's a testament to human creativity and our relentless pursuit to conquer distance and speed. And of course, the crown jewel of the museum, The armored Mercedes-Benz that once belonged to the Soviet leader Brezhnev stands as a stark reminder of the intertwined history of politics and automobiles. The Riga Motor Museum, where history speeds through time. And that, my friends, was a glimpse of the enchanting Riga. We've strolled through the quaint old town, savored the hustle and bustle of Ria Central Market, marveled at the stunning architecture of Riga Cathedral and the Art Nouveau District. We've stepped back in time at the House of the Blackheads, St. Peter's Church, and the Freedom Monument. We've soaked in art and nature at the Latvian National Museum and Bastikāns Park, and revved our engines at the Riga Motor Museum. Thank you for joining on this journey. Until next time, keep exploring.